Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your IAQUALINK Wi-Fi settings. First, ensure your IAQUALINK system is powered on and accessible. You'll need to navigate through the main menu to find the network configuration options. Have your new Wi-Fi network name and password ready before you begin this process. This easy method will guide you step by step to a successful connection. To begin, power on your IAQUALINK system and access its main menu. Look for an icon or option labeled Settings or Configuration. This is where you'll find all the system's adjustable parameters. Once you're in the settings, you'll then proceed to locate the specific section dedicated to network or Wi-Fi connections. This initial step is crucial for making any changes. Within the network settings, you will see a list of available Wi-Fi networks. Select your desired new network from this list. Carefully enter the network's password, ensuring accuracy to avoid connection issues. After inputting the password, confirm your selection to initiate the connection process. The system will then attempt to establish a link with your chosen Wi-Fi network. After attempting to connect, verify the Wi-Fi status indicator on your IAQUALINK system. It should show a successful connection. Next, open your IAQUALINK app on your phone to confirm remote access and control. If you encounter any issues, try restarting your IAQUALINK system and your Wi-Fi router. Double-check the password and network selection to ensure everything is correct.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.